Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna do a quick video on how I ship stuff. I ship thousands of packages a year, so I need to do it very quickly. And I begin a lot of DMs on Instagram about how I do things and blah blah. So I'm just gonna run through it because I've never really told anybody. So what I'll do is, so this sold yesterday. I'll fold it, do what I got to do. I'll put one of my stickers on it. I'll weigh it, and then I'll stick it in one of these bags. I'll put links for all this stuff if you're curious. And then what I'll do is, once I weigh it, once I know, I'll run over to my computer. I'm gonna try not to show addresses here. I'll go over to here, I'll type in blah 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 address. I didn't spell address right, but it's fine. I'll print label right here, and I use software that is called Endicia. I'll put the link in there. It's $15 a month. I think it's like cheaper if you use like a different one. I use like the pretty like minimum one. I think there's like a one that's like $25. I'm not sure. I haven't like upgraded in a while, so it's been a while. So this is the printer right here that I use. Dymo Label Writer 4XL. I'll show you. So what you'll do is, I'll go here, I'll click validate, blah blah. It's gonna come up not valid because it's not a valid address. And then I'll print it, and I'll hit print, and then it'll come up, and then all the savings and everything else comes up there. And then I'll go over to here, and this is the address. I'm gonna try to blank it out, and I'll tear it off of these little labels. I'll try to show you, try to do it with one hand. And then I'll go over here and I'll stick it on that package, and then I'll put that in there. I used to ship stuff with plastic bags. I stopped using those just because the environment, and don't need to use plastic bag because no one cares. So yeah, this is the label or the printer that I use. You could open it up. I could kind of show you how it works. See, and then you buy the labels for there. You could use any brand, doesn't really matter. And that's basically it. The cool thing about Endicia though is, here I'll show you, I think there's a .com or something. See it right there, Endicia. So you have Mac, it's different. And then the other thing that's cool is you could put, I put my address, but whatever. You could put your logos right there, or you could put your logo, which is really cool. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned, I'm gonna do more videos. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I do a lot of like IGTV videos of cool pieces that I find. So yeah.